And do you have an example of a customer where this process, where they came to you with a challenge, you solved and you solved the solution for them?
Yeah, well, we would have, there's a number of interviews we've had with clients over the past few months, talking about the engagement process that we would have had with them. And like one of the clients, like Excel Sealants, like they have, they came to us where they were using 5 different cloud applications to manage their business processes. None of them spoke to each other. And now they all did a job, and they all did the job independently. But the reason why they reached out to the likes of us is because they came to the pain became too much. Where, even though these applications did the jobs, they did them independently, and there was no process, there was no streamlined process. So when they reached out to us and they saw Team Konnect, they said, "Oh my God, well," they realized that they could put these 5 applications under one roof, the Team Konnect roof. So now they had, the ability to have 5 applications, and they didn't start with 5 applications. They came to us with one problem. They came to us with a problem where they wanted to be able to track resources that had arrived on site. The time they arrived on site, so that HR knew in a blink of an eye what resources were on site and what resources were not. That was the initial problem that they came to us with. And now they have 5 solutions, operational under the hood of the Team Konnect platform. They have the initial one, the clock in, clock out. They have the ability to capture works that are done on site by the resources that are fed back to HQ in real time. They have holiday drawdown, where now staff don't have to be bothering HR where to tell them how many days they have left, because their holiday drawdown is done through an automated process. And so they've developed. They only realized after they engaged with us they could tick all these boxes, and they. Aidan Thompson, who's the operations director there, like, I asked him a question. I said, "Well, can you quantify how much time that the solution now has saved you?" And he was saying that on a monthly basis, it was taking them 2 weeks to collate the information in order to manage their billing processes from all the sites and all the resources. So that worked out at 80 hours a month that were required to do this work. And that's been reduced to 1 hour using the Team Konnect platform. That's just incredible.
It really is.
Return on investment, amazing.